First, we will assembling the chest plate with the chest connection plate. In here, make sure this is in the front, so this is behind on the back here. So we connect together with the center arm in this position. First, we take the screw, two screws in here, we take it out first. Okay, here we put the screw one here, second one in here. So if something look like this, and we put this on it and we screw it. We got a key inside the package. Iron wrench in here, we screw it like this. Take it, and before we fix it, tight it, we make sure it's on the center here. So this, the center arm is always in the center here, so make sure the center and hold it, then tie it up. Okay, this is done for now, and we got this and this. This chest plate and this is a belly plate and belly connection plate. We put it in this position and make sure here is in the front like this. Don't make it like this. Okay, here and in here we have the two screws. Take it out and we put it inside the strap. Like this, put it inside it and screw it. And we tie it up here. And this two part we connect one in the top like this, and the length in here you can make it long like this. If you are very big person, you're really tall, so you make it long like this. Somehow you can make it short like this or here. And for my position, my height, and I make it in the second holes in here. This my position, or one more. Okay, put the screw under it. Okay, and we put it here. Another one. And for the first time, if you are not sure what's the longer you put it, you can take text like this. You're sitting down with your feet 90 degree in here, and just put it in here, and with your head down here, so you can touch your chin, can touch here. That will be the longer for you. And if you make it too long like this is no good. Too short like this, when you hold this up, is not too good. So make sure the longer is fit for you. So when you sit down here, touch it. So this is the longer, or maybe you can make it a little bit longer when you touch on your chin. And here we got three straps. Here they are long enough for most people. Here, 2 shoulder strap, 1 belly strap, like this. Twister is 42 inch long in maximum. So this is a fit for many people, most of the people. And when you're wearing it, it's something like this. And okay, it's too long for me. Here I make it shorter, something like this, and just connect it here. So when you're wearing this, and you don't need to make it too tight or too loose, just feel comfortable for you. Like this. Little bit longer. Okay, when you're wearing it, it's cross on your back, 2 straps, cross it on your back. Then you put this on. Like this. It's not too tight, not too loose. Just feel comfortable for yourself. Yes. And here we got many holes in here. We fill it up. Okay. Let's take it out. And we fill it up with the screw and nut. Here, let's see, we tie it up. Oh. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We put it on. Once again, cross over on your back. So like this will be very stable and comfortable.